Okay, so in the last lower back video, we talked about two different stretches in order to adjust the lower back. This one's going to be a little bit different. It's usually, I have what's called I call it the cement back. My back doesn't tend to want to adjust with normal stretches and things like that. So I've adapted a couple of things with a foam roller and one of these little, what are called WOD fitters. I'll leave it in the description below on where you can get these things, but WOD stands for workout of the day. I guess CrossFitters use these a lot, but I'll show you how to use these. First, you want to loosen up the hip flexors, and you'll actually, if you look at your hips, you'll find that high hip bone, and then look right underneath that. That's where you want to put that foam roller. So take the foam roller and get in that high hip area. So the hip bone's here. I'm actually just below it, and then just find those spots that are nice and tight, and you'll feel them. You'll be like, oh, that'll be a spot. Run your knee through ranges of motion in that area. Flip over and do the other side. Now, once you've loosened up those hip flexors, grab this rubber band, find yourself a nice seat to sit in, and take this, like so, and I take it and I wrap it around my wrist, and I wrap it around my hips, and I put it on my wrist like this, and I sit down. So I can take my wrist and I can take this and slide it over the knee. Slide this over that knee like that. Now it's wrapped around the hips and wrapped around the knees. Get this out of the way. Okay. And get in that same position to where you're in that high hip area. And then I like to just lay my shoulder on the ground. And if you listen, got two right there in that lower back area. Just take it and stretch it out. And try to lay your arm back the other way. Just stretch it out that way. Then flip over on the other side and do the same thing. Easy to pop it off once you're all done. But hopefully that was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. This was my 10th video. I'm doing this because I'm really close to 1,000 subscribers. Trying to push over that mark. And this was a video in response to someone that made some comments on what they wanted to see. So hopefully this is helpful. Please again, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification button, because I've been making videos based on what people need to see and people need help with. So hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks.